Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Eaglestone. Today we're taking a quick look at this compact powerhouse, the Parkside 4-volt cordless screwdriver. If you're into DIY, small repairs, or everyday household projects, this little tool might surprise you. Right away, what stands out is the slim, pen-style design. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for tight spaces where a normal drill just won't fit. Inside, you get a 4-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers steady power for light to medium-duty tasks. From assembling furniture and installing shelves to fixing electronics or cabinet hardware. Charging is simple via USB, so you can plug it into your laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. A full charge gives you plenty of runtime for typical DIY jobs. Up front, there's a quick change bit holder, making swaps fast and effortless. The forward and reverse switch lets you tighten or loosen screws instantly, while the soft grip body gives you excellent control. There's also a built-in LED work light, which is super handy when working in dark corners, cabinets, or under desks. Despite its compact size, this screwdriver delivers solid torque for everyday use. Perfect for wood screws, plastic fittings, and light metal applications. What I really like is how portable it is. You could throw it in a toolbox, backpack, or drawer, and always have it ready when you need it. Pros: compact design, USB charging, built-in LED, comfortable grip, and surprisingly good power for a 4-volt tool. Cons: it's not meant for heavy construction work. This one shines in precision tasks and quick fixes. Bottom line, if you want a reliable cordless screwdriver for home projects and small repairs, the Parkside 4 volts is a smart and affordable choice. If this helped you out, smash that like button. Hey! And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Eaglestone for more tool reviews, DIY projects, and workshop upgrades. See you in the next one, and keep building.